I'm Dr. Tracy Boyd Acklin, Pediatrician at PTHA. How do you know the COVID-19 vaccine is safe for my kid? Pfizer conducted a clinical trial on the vaccine for children ages 5 through 11. The vaccine had to meet the rigorous standards of both the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The FDA examined over 3,000 children and found that the vaccine was safe for this age group, and even found that they had the same or fewer side effects than teens and adults. These reactions included sore arms, fever, or achiness. Doesn't COVID affect the elderly? Why does my child need the vaccine? Returning to school is important for a child's development, but not if it is putting them at risk. By getting your child vaccinated, you are preventing them from infection and symptoms. At the beginning of this school year, 252,000 children across the country tested positive for COVID in just 1 week. This is no longer an illness of the elderly, and it can impact your child's development and ability to go to school and learn at the level of their peers. Vaccinated children are much less likely to develop severe COVID symptoms and are less likely to need to be hospitalized. The vaccine reduces the spread of the virus and helps protect the community. Having your child vaccinated can help restore a more normal life. Are the doses for children different than the adult vaccine? The dose for children ages 5 through 11 is 10 micrograms, which is a third of the adult dose. Will my child have the same immunity to COVID as me? Despite being a smaller dose, the vaccine still has a 91% efficacy against protecting from symptomatic COVID-19. If my child already had COVID, do they still need the vaccine? If your child has already had COVID, it is beneficial to still get the vaccine. While there are antibodies from previous infections, it is unknown how long they can last. Some individuals have reported reinfections just weeks later. Getting the vaccine will help increase their immunity and prevent symptoms. Will they need 2 doses like the adult vaccine, or will they eventually need booster shots? Children who receive the Pfizer vaccine will need to receive their second dose 3 weeks after their first. Whether children will need a booster is still being researched. If my child is fully vaccinated, do they still need to wear a mask? Wearing face masks, continued social distancing, and hand hygiene are still important to prevent the spread of COVID, even after fully vaccinated. Why should my child be vaccinated? Getting your child vaccinated is the easiest and most effective way to protect them from serious illness. The more children that are vaccinated, the faster they will be able to return to normal activities. Will children under 5 be eligible for the vaccine? Vaccines for children ages 6 months to 4 years are not expected until 2022. If you have any questions or concerns about getting your child vaccinated against COVID-19, please contact us.